Hey guys, welcome. In this lesson we will discuss about electric charge. Now, as we know already that there are three kinds of elementary particles: electrons, protons and neutrons, and each of these particles has got some mass. I have written here, you can see clearly. Mass of an electron is approximately 9.10940 into 10 to the power of minus 31 kg. Similarly, proton has also got mass and neutron has also mass. Now see here, I am trying to calculate gravitational force of attraction between two electrons. So, see, I have two electrons here. This is my first electron and this is my second electron. Okay, and say they are situated at a distance of 1 centimeter apart. How much is the gravitational force acting between these two masses? We'll write here. This is the formula to calculate gravitational force. All of us know. Let us substitute the value. Capital G is your universal gravitational constant. It is 6.67 into 10 to the power of minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square, and then mass of electron is 9.1 into 10 to the power of minus 31 kg. I am putting square here because I have got two masses. The distance is 1 centimeter, so let me convert it to meter and substitute. Okay, so this is the distance. Now if you do this calculation, you will see that you will get this much force of attraction acting between two electrons. Now it was also seen that apart from this force of attraction, there is force of repulsion. I am writing here, there is also force of repulsion between two electrons. And it was found to be approximately, say, taking that 1 centimeter distance only between two electrons, it was 2.3 into 10 to the power of minus 24 Newton. Okay, which is quite large as compared to the gravitational force of attraction. So this is the force of attraction and this is the force of repulsion. So we conclude that there is certain other property of electron also, due to which there is force of repulsion, and this property of electron is called charge. It is due to charge of the electron that two electrons are actually repelling each other. Now let us come to protons. Say again I have two proton situated at a distance of 1 centimeter apart. Now here also force of repulsion exists. Force of repulsion, and it is approximately, I'll write here, 2.3 into 10 to the power of minus 24 Newton. This is the force of repulsion, as well as force of attraction also exists between two protons. Now when we come to neutrons, it is seen that the force of repulsion does not exist, only force of attraction exists. There is only force of attraction between two neutrons. Okay, and that is approximately 1.9 10 to the power of minus 60 Newton. Again I have taken the same estimate that two neutrons are at a distance of 1 centimeter, but it is not having any force of repulsion. So we conclude here a neutron has only mass, it does not have charge. Neutron, so I am writing here, neutron has only mass and no charge. This is very important realization. When we come to protons, it has charge and mass. When we come to electrons, I'm writing here electrons, it also has mass and charge.